Guys, okay, I wanted to show you guys what I put in my coffee in case you're wondering. These little mason jars are actually from Michael's. They're like $2 on clearance right now. The straws are from Amazon, and then I just use the Starbucks blonde rose coffee. Normally we make our own cold brew, but I just bought some just because I work a ton this week. This is my favorite creamer. I normally just put like oat milk or something, but sometimes when I want to spice it up, I do a little flavored creamer, and this is the one I really like. My coffee booster is collagen, just to get some collagen in the morning, so that's kind of like my little healthy morning iced coffee. So I'm gonna sip on that, and we are going to go and have some quiet time. Good morning, everybody. What is up? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Sunday reset routine. I'm super excited to be filming this today. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. I am a post-grad student just figuring out life and working, and just trying to figure out how to be an adult. And I just moved out, so it's all happening. But if you guys stuck around for the vlog, I know I work in healthcare, so I don't normally get a lot of weekends off, but when I do, I cherish them. And so today, since it's Sunday, I'm off. We're gonna have a full Sunday reset routine. I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready for a new week, how I just stay healthy and happy in quarantine, and just kind of like what I do on like my ideal Sunday off. So just made my coffee, and the next part of my day is journaling and reading for a little bit, and then normally I will check my emails as well. I do have to say though, I am working from home today. I forgot to add that in, so like I'm still counting it as a Sunday off because I'm just checking some emails. I'm on a new project at work that kicked off this week, so I do have to check my emails for about an hour or two today. But we'll include that in our Sunday reset. So I'm going to journal, read, and just do that. That's like my ideal morning. Maybe watch a YouTube video before I start working. So I also try and just get dressed as soon as I get up, just because it makes me feel really good about myself. If you guys like to stay in your PJs and lounge around all day, you do it. You know, your Sunday reset is all about what you prefer, but I just like to get up and get dressed right away. So I'm just wearing this oversized black t-shirt and boyfriend jeans from Old Navy. I'm getting dressed first thing in the morning. To me, that's like super nice. So I'm getting dressed, still sipping on the coffee, and I can't wait till we have a bistro set so I can sit outside and journal and read, but for now we can do it inside. To-do list for the day is done. Like I said, Sunday is like a big to-do list day for me. Also, you guys know how much I love to-do lists, and I love that. You guys know me as a to-do list gal. So this is my stuff for the week to do. A lot of it's just like prepping for the week kind of stuff. And if I don't get everything done, obviously it's okay, but this is what my to-do list for the day looks like. Things that I find makes Sunday like the most Sunday is just like doing laundry, having all the windows open, getting fresh air. So I'm gonna go and put some laundry in, as well as open all the windows up, because I love nothing more than like a nice airy house, and it is so nice and sunny out, and if I can't be out there, I may as well enjoy the sun from inside. And I don't know, there's something like very comforting about like outside noises. Does that make sense? I don't know. So one thing I love for Sundays is just like cleaning and organizing, but I ended up cleaning yesterday because I actually had the whole weekend off. So yesterday I cleaned the whole house, but I'm going to just put away some dishes and wash some dishes because nothing makes me happier than like a clean kitchen, and it ain't clean right now. So we're gonna do that really quick. Quick break from emails from work and just clean up the kitchen because it makes me so happy. And I'm just uploading a vlog right now, which is exciting. Upload dates for May are gonna be Sunday, Tuesday, Fridays. So I'm uploading a video right now, which is literally like my favorite part of the day. It feels like Christmas when I upload a video. So I'm just currently uploading a video, working on my iced coffee. Got all my things to plan. I'm gonna do my weekly planner first, and then I'll fill in some of my monthly planner. I do have a plan with me video if you guys want to watch that, but I keep a lot of stuff in pencil because a lot of stuff changes. But I'm gonna fill in my weekly planner. Got all my things here, got a coffee, and then I obviously sync it with my Google Calendar. Like I use the exact same two colors because I like to super sync up. So I use the two same highlighters. So did my planner for the week. It's pretty bare now that I'm done school, honestly, but it's kind of nice. And then I put my days off here just to remind myself to not pick up any work. So I did that. It's pretty plain for the week. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do weekly goals down here, and then the projects is obviously like all my videos, and I do it in order of like what I'm doing. So I'm filming this today and I uploaded that today, and then I'm filming this and then I'm uploading this. So in order of the week I put that, and then any errands I need to run. So like we'll need to do groceries. IKEA's opening their curbside delivery this week, so we'll buy a bistro set, and then any calls I have as the week goes on. So this is my to-do list so far. I'm going over to Matt's parents for like a little social distance lunch outside. So I'm gonna do a lot of this when I get back, but honestly just something about like having a planner ready for the week and like organizing and getting prepped that just makes me so happy. Like I just love doing all the things on Sunday. You guys are gonna notice this is like a pretty jam-packed vlog, but I just love getting a ton of shit done on Sunday. So I'm actually gonna go and check and see if the laundry's ready to be turned over yet. And then we're gonna paint my nails, and then we're gonna like get ready for the day, and I might change my shirt, we'll see. But let's go check on the laundry. Laundry is officially hanging to dry. I love this thing. I think Matt got it from Amazon, I'm not sure, but that's like so aesthetically pleasing. I don't know what it is, but laundry is done, ready to dry. I'm hoping it's dry by tonight so I can fold it. Actually, let's open the window up so that we can get some fresh air in here. You guys can guess what my favorite part about moving out is. It's probably having a full-length mirror because it's my parents' house, so I'm so happy about it. Anyways, I want to get in a quick workout before I head to Matt's parents for lunch. Workout before I break my fast. So I'm working out. I'm gonna do my little 20-minute resistance band workout, which is in my work week video, so I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I just don't want to make it super repetitive and show you guys again, but I'm gonna do a little resistance band booty workout. Energy seamless sports bra from Lulu, the long line one, and some Gymshark Energy seamless leggings. I'm not sure if they're the most flattering on me, but I really like them. I just have like a weird front side. But anyways, that's that. I'm gonna work out. If you guys want to see the workout, just watch my work week video. It's in there. And yeah, and did my makeup for the day. I just put on some BB cream and mascara. You guys know I'm like a pretty plain person when it comes to makeup. My hair's also a little greasy and I don't dry shampoo, but it's fine. Also, my roots have grown out so much. It's ridiculous. But a little plain makeup. This shirt is from Walmart, you guys. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? It's actually like one of these kinds of shirts, which I don't really think is flattering. So I've just been tucking. I'm really into like the front tuck vibe. So I tucked it in. I think it's so cute. It's more of like a, not as bright. It's coming up really bright on camera. It's not as bright. But I have that on with my signature boyfriend jeans from Old Navy. And I'm going to put some white Converse on. Such a cute little spring outfit. I think it's adorable. So this is my little outfit. I think it's in the color Power Punch Pink. So I'm going to paint my nails. They really need it. They look really rough. So I'm going to paint those. My nails, they're not great. I really miss the nail salon, but I just finished painting them and I'm going to walk over to Matt's parents so that I can let them dry. We're about to head out. I'm going to walk over. It's like about a kilometer or two, which is nice. Get some steps in. Listen to a podcast. I seriously need to invest in AirPods, I think, because I'm still using the old headphones. Does anyone else use them? Am I alone? Anyways, I'm listening to a podcast. It's like my favorite thing to do is to take a walk and listen to a podcast. It is the ultimate form of self-care to me. I love it. So I'm gonna do that. Got my lemon cookies and we're gonna walk over. So I'll talk to you guys when we get back and we're gonna do a bunch of meal prep for the week. So I just got home and it's literally like 6 o'clock. The day just flew by, but it was so nice to sit outside and socialize from a distance. We had hamburgers and hot dogs. It was so fun and we all just got to sit around and chat, which was really nice. But it's 6:20 and I have to meal prep for the week. So we're gonna do that and then I'll probably end this vlog. I think I'm gonna take a shower and do all this before Matt gets home because I like to just be able to spend time with him when he gets home. So we're gonna make a breakfast strata, like a little breakfast quiche. That's what I bring to work. And then I'm just gonna cook up some chicken. Like I'm just gonna fry it in the pan for some chicken Caesar salads. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take a shower and do a face mask real quick. And yeah, so cooking with Carter. Okay, so I just take like a pan like this and then I have 4 eggs. And this will make 3 servings. And then I will do probably 2/3 of a cup of this because each third cup has 10 grams of protein, some onion, and then I do this crumbled bacon from Costco, and then just some like light cheese on top. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys what you do. So basically make an omelet in here. You're gonna wanna cut up your onion, which like I just literally cut it up like this and put it in. It looks like when you put it in the oven. So I just have the cheese sprinkled on top. You can put it in if you want. I just like to have it on top. And then I have red onion and then this like bacon crumble and garlic powder. So you put this in the oven, 350 for 30 minutes. And I'll show you guys what it's like when it comes out. Eggs take 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my cold brew. I'm gonna fry up some chicken for salad. So guys, everything I do. So I'm gonna make some cold brew. So what you do is you need, well, you don't need a French press. Just make coffee however you make it. I just like to do it in the French press. So I'll take French press coffee, which if you guys don't know how to make, I guess I can show you guys. But I will grind up fresh coffee beans with our grinder, and then I will just French press the coffee, put it in the fridge overnight, and then I have, not cold brew, I guess I have like iced coffee, but that's how I make it, so. Then I just let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just cooking that chicken like pretty plainly, just with literally garlic powder and salt and pepper, just because it's going in the salad anyways. I'll show you guys kind of what I bring for lunch. Also keep in mind that I fast until noon, so I basically eat breakfast at noon. So the first thing I'll have is breakfast, which is my little quiche in the oven. And then for lunch, I'll have this Caesar salad, which the chicken's still hot, which is why I haven't put it in yet, but that's 5 ounces of chicken breast. Put that in here and normally just bring my Caesar dressing. I'll have one of these kombuchas, or like half of it. I love these, they're so good. They taste like Oreos. I'm also bringing a protein bar, 2 of my lemon cookies I made. And then for dinner, I'm just having this little portion of tortellini and sausage. So those are kind of like my overviews of meal for the day tomorrow. If you guys want me to talk about this more often, let me know, because in my work week videos, I can show you guys what I'm eating. But that's gonna be my lunch for tomorrow. So heads up, don't put your hot coffee in a mason jar. It's not good for it. I leave mine in my French press thing since it's made for hot coffee, and then get in the fridge overnight, and then when it gets cold, I put it in a mason jar. But don't put your hot coffee in a mason jar, okay? Okay, this is what it looks like when it's done. Doesn't it look so yummy, you guys? It smells so good. So I let this sit, and then I scoop it out with a spatula, and I usually divide it into 3. So you could probably divide into more if you wanted, but I like a big filling breakfast. So that's my little egg thing. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just obviously took a shower. I don't know what this is about. Ignore it. I have no idea what's going on, but I have a little eye mask on. I'm gonna relax and probably read my Kindle for the next little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you guys want to see more Sunday vlogs. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.